In the compatibility section, you'll find an option to select the server type where you installed WP Ghost. By default, WP Ghost detects your server type automatically, providing instructions accordingly. But if you prefer to set it manually, you can simply select the server from the supported list and follow the setup instructions for that specific server. For Apache servers, setup is straightforward. All necessary rules are located in the htaccess file in your website's root directory, and WP Ghost will add them automatically. If you're using an Nginx or IS server, the process is a bit different. Since the configuration files are not writable by WP Ghost, you'll need to manually add the rules through your server panel. After adding rules, it's essential to restart the server, as these settings are cached on server load. Remember, a restart is required anytime you update the rules or install a new plugin to apply the latest changes. To assist you further, we've documented server-specific setup instructions in our knowledge base. Here, you can find guidelines for each tested and configured server type to ensure smooth compatibility with WP Ghost. Next, let's talk about adjusting the plugin buffer and load paths. Some cases may require you to load WP Ghost as a must-use plugin or with priority. WP Ghost automatically adjusts its loading based on your active plugins and compatibility test results over time. However, if you encounter specific configurations or need custom settings, you can customize as needed. By default, WP Ghost's compatibility section covers all popular plugins we've tested. We recommend keeping the default settings unless there are unique server configurations we haven't tested. If you're uncertain about changing any settings here, please reach out to our support team. We're here to help. That's it for the WP Ghost Advanced settings. With the right setup, you can ensure WP Ghost runs smoothly on your server while maintaining compatibility with other plugins.